natanong ko lang rin talaga about sa leadership just because like especially with like business owners. I mean, ako business owner, and then sometimes that is one of the biggest hurdles talaga to overcome because you want the best, you want to do the best that your service can give your clients naman talaga, and then sometimes like hindi mag-align yung output na ine-expect mo, parang ganun. So how can people actually, or especially leaders, get into that mindset na excellent pa rin siya, pero they're not stressing too much about it?
Unang-una, if I may ask you, and all of you business owners there, how much time, energy, effort, and money do you invest in your people for them to have the same mindset as you are, for them to have the same standard as you are, for them to have the same exposure as you are? Because if none, ikaw talaga lahat ng gagawa.
Correct.
So it has to start with you training your people, upgrading yourself, being able to understand that at the end of the day, the reason why people who work for us are not as excellent as the way we are, because we never take time to train them. We never take time to nurture them. We don't even invest in them.
Tama.
Diba? Mabuti pa yung camera. Magkano yan, diba?
Right.
50 mil, 100,000. But magpa-train sa tao, ayaw. Tapos sabihin, ayaw ko i-train yan kasi mahal. Tapos hindi naman magtatagal. Mas nakakatakot yun. Nagtagal, hindi mo na i-train.